Crochet Along. I'm Jess, and over the coming weeks, I'm going to walk you through every step of making a dress or top that you're proud to say is handmade. Just like the books you might remember from being a kid, this is going to be a choose your own adventure crochet along. That means that as each of us crochets along with the pattern at the same time, you'll have the option to customize your dress with a longer bodice, adjust the skirt length, and choose from different styles of sleeves. Actually, you can even make a peplum style top if that's more your speed. But before you start to worry that this project is way above your skill level, I want to tell you a little bit more about the help you'll receive along the way. Each stage of the crochet along includes an in-depth video tutorial that you can follow along with. Plus, you can always join us for extra help in the Make and Do Crew Facebook group. The Idlewild pattern is written in 16 sizes, toddler 2T to women's 5X. This is such a fun pattern to make a mommy and me set of dresses, a flower girl dress, or a piece you can pair with tights and a jean jacket for a dinner out. We're going to be using Lion Brand's Beautiful You yarn, which I love because it's machine washable, it drapes perfectly, and it comes in a gorgeous set of colors. If you don't have access to this yarn, you'll need adequate yardage in an alternative category 2 yarn. We'll kick off the crochet along September 13th, and I'll release one stage of the pattern each week for 4 weeks. The free pattern and tutorials will stay up on the blog forever though, so you can absolutely crochet your dress at your own pace. Speaking of the free pattern, you're going to be able to find each stage of the free pattern on my website, which is makeanddocrew.com. And if you have a few dollars to spare, I highly recommend upgrading to the paid PDF version of the Idlewild dress. Not only is it formatted for easy printing, but I have jam-packed this thing full of additional stitch charts, measurements, and photo tutorials that I think you'll find super helpful as you crochet your dress. Okay, I really hope you'll join us in making your own Idlewild dress. Drop your email address in the box below so you don't miss any of the pattern updates. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them for me in the comments below. See you September 13th.